How to download Fortnite on PC or laptop. Open any browser and search Fortnite. Open the epicgames.com site and click on the download button at the top right. And click on the PC button. The complete process of login/register and click the Windows button on the screen. Once download Epic Games software, install and open it. Now write Fortnite in the search bar. Click on the Get button, accepts the terms and conditions, and install it. Once it completes installation, you can play the game. That's it. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.